Balancing work responsibilities and personal well-being is crucial for maintaining a healthy and fulfilling life. Here are some tips to help you achieve that balance. Set clear boundaries. Establish clear boundaries between work and personal life. Define specific working hours and avoid working outside of those designated times whenever possible. Communicate these boundaries to your colleagues and family members to ensure they understand and respect them. Prioritize and delegate. Identify your most important tasks and prioritize them accordingly. Learn to delegate tasks that can be handled by others, allowing you to focus on high-priority responsibilities. Practice effective time management. Efficiently manage your time by planning and organizing your tasks. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable chunks and allocate specific time slots for each task. Avoid multitasking, as it can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Take regular breaks. Incorporate short breaks into your work routine. Stepping away from your desk or work environment can help you recharge and regain focus. Use these breaks to engage in activities that promote relaxation, such as going for a walk, stretching, or practicing deep breathing exercises. Engage in activities that promote physical and mental well-being, such as exercising regularly, eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and practicing mindfulness or meditation. Remember that taking care of yourself is essential for maintaining productivity and preventing burnout. Avoid overcommitting. Be mindful of your limitations and avoid overcommitting yourself. Learn to say no when necessary and be realistic about what you can accomplish within a given time frame. Taking on too much can lead to stress and a decline in the quality of your work. Maintain a support system. Surround yourself with a strong support system, whether it's family, friends, or colleagues. Share your challenges and concerns with them and seek their advice or assistance when needed. Having a supportive network can provide valuable perspective and help you navigate work-life challenges. Give yourself the opportunity to recharge and focus on personal relationships and hobbies. Regularly assess and reassess. Regularly evaluate your work-life balance and make adjustments as needed. Your priorities and circumstances may change over time, so it's important to reassess and modify your approach accordingly. Be flexible and open to adapting your strategies to find what works best for you. Remember, achieving a balance between work and personal well-being is an ongoing process. It may require experimentation and adjustments to find the right balance for your specific situation. Prioritize self-care and make intentional choices to support your overall well-being.